You want to build some muscles? Well, you came to the right channel. Check me out. Hey guys, it's your boy Active Lex, and I'm back with another. This time, you know where we at. We're in the kitchen, and guess what? We're cooking our meal for the day. Starting it off with some chicken. All right. We're gonna make fried rice. Chicken fried rice, yeah. This is how we're gonna get them gains. Let's go. So basically all I did was poured some pepper, some Lowry's. You know, a brother owns this business here. Some Lowry's, and that was it. You know, the brother always gotta put some barbecue sauce. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. Put some barbecue sauce. All right. Let me get a little bit of that barbecue sauce. Just a little dab. You know what I mean? Let me show you how it looks. Come closer, come closer, mother sucker. Yeah, come closer. Come closer. Alright, boom. This is how it's looking, guys. So I'm gonna mix this joint up. So just a scoop of rice. And heavy on the protein. You know what I mean? Heavy on the protein. Cook up. All right, let this baby cook. It's looking good, y'all. It's looking good. But we don't like the light meat. We want it dark. All right. Need that thing to be nice and crispy. All right, so I'm gonna go get this. You know what? Here, come with me. I'm gonna go in the fridge. Get some rice. I told you I was making chicken fried rice. African style. Chicken fried rice. So, chicken fried rice. Yeah, I'm just gonna overdo. I'm gonna OD on the protein because my protein's been low. I only took 2 scoops of protein just now. Just finished working out. It's 9:30 p.m. as you can see. Chicken is cooking, but we want a variety of protein. So we're gonna make some chicken fried rice. Some chicken fried rice. You know what I'm saying? Let me put up some budget. So we got this tuna and we got this can opener that we got for $1. And we're gonna see if this shit works. Let me keep the tag on it, because if it don't work, I'll get my dollar back, mother sucker. Uh-oh. Alright, so far so good. Woo! This baby works, guys. It's working. It's working. Alright. I could remove the tag. All right, y'all, this chicken is about done. We're gonna take it off the stove and we are going to make the eggs and the tuna and the rice. The shrimp fried rice, chicken fried rice. Let's go. Let me get a plate. Yeah. Looking mighty good, y'all. It's looking good. Finished product. Woo, look at that chicken. Thing is steaming. Steaming, beaming. What it looks like, that's the tuna fish and eggs. That's about what? 20 grams of protein from the tuna. And then 12 grams from the eggs, because I broke 2 eggs. So that's what? That's, 32 grams of protein. Then we're going to kill it with the chicken. Look at that thing, golden brown, looking good. But we probably gonna take like 2 pieces of chicken, which is probably another like 20 grams right there. It's a yo, that's like, so I said 30, 20, give or take, 15, 20. 50 grams of protein, you can't beat that, come on. Get with the program. I'm gonna show you how to do this on a real low budget, guys. Rock with me, watch me. All right, so let me not talk too much. I'm gonna just show y'all. We're gonna take one of these big ass spoons, right? Big spoon. Watch. We're not using a lot. We're not using a lot of rice. This is it. This is all the rice we're having for this meal, guys. This is like, my hand is bigger than this. My fist is bigger than it. You know what I mean? Little rice, just a little. We're gonna drop it in here. I'm gonna show you how it looks. All right, hibachi style. You got a nice meal, guys. This is how it looks. Gains are us. Let's try it out. Tastes better than the Chinese store. Let's taste some chicken. All right, guys. I'm gonna enjoy this food, but thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and like I said, I'm gonna keep pumping these videos out like a porn star.